Live on location at one of my body shops that I'm called out every couple days to do several vehicles on. Today we have 3 vehicles. This one's been on the vacuum pump. We're down to 40 microns. Okay, that's more than good enough. Other vehicle, we have this Hyundai. This one I'm using the method for charging without refrigerant gauges, just straight vacuum pump. And as you can see here, this vacuum pump has the nice LED lights on the inside. You're looking at the vacuum oil, so you could see how clean it is. It's nice and crystal clear. As soon as it starts getting foggy from moisture that it's removed from the AC systems you pump, you change it. It only takes 30 seconds, and you can change the oil while the vacuum pump is on. We are down to 213 microns on this one. It's ready for recharge. Then we have a third vehicle. This Toyota RAV4. This vacuum pump, it's almost an $800 vacuum pump or more. I think they're $1,200 now, depending on which one you get. See, we're down to 1,300 microns on this one. Actually, that's at the vacuum pump. As you get farther away from your hose, your microns go down. So at this point, we're stable at 630 microns shut off from the pump. And once that gets under 500 microns, it'll be ready for recharge. And so this is the third vehicle I have. Oops. Slam bam, all at one time. And this is actually a very good scale. It comes with this unit, accurate within 5 grams. This is a NAVAC vacuum pump. Of course, you could see the letters came off the first week.